To connect Capybara Nation to Crypto.com, you need to follow a series of steps. First, you should have a basic understanding of what Capybara Nation and Crypto.com are. Capybara Nation is a community-driven project that utilizes blockchain technology, while Crypto.com is a popular cryptocurrency exchange platform. To begin the connection process, start by accessing your Capybara Nation account and navigating to the Integration or Settings section. Look for the option to connect external wallets or exchanges, and select Crypto.com as the desired platform. Next, you will be redirected to the Crypto.com website, where you will need to log into your account. If you do not have a Crypto.com account, you will need to create one by providing the required information and verifying your identity. Once you are logged into your Crypto.com account, you will be prompted to authorize the connection to Capybara Nation. This may involve generating an API key or providing a unique authorization code. Be sure to follow the on-screen instructions carefully to ensure a successful connection. After authorizing the connection, you will be redirected back to the Capybara Nation platform, where you can configure the integration settings. This may include specifying the types of data to be shared between the two platforms or setting up notifications for certain events. It is essential to note that when connecting Capybara Nation to Crypto.com, you should prioritize security and only share necessary information. Be cautious when generating API keys or authorization codes, and never share them with unauthorized parties. Finally, review the connection settings to ensure that everything is configured correctly. You can test the integration by performing a small transaction or checking the synchronization of data between the two platforms. By following these steps, you can successfully connect Capybara Nation to Crypto.com and unlock new possibilities for managing your cryptocurrency assets. Always remember to prioritize security and follow best practices when integrating external platforms with your cryptocurrency exchange accounts.